Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cards in Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You will see a plus sign in the upper right corner. Tap it to begin adding a new card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to input your credit, debit, or even a transit card. Remember, you might need to verify your card with your bank or issuer through a quick phone call or text message for security. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. This action quickly brings up your default card in Apple Wallet. You will then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode for security. Next, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. A checkmark and a subtle vibration will confirm your payment was successful. Apple Wallet is not just for payments. It also conveniently stores your transit and loyalty cards. To use a transit card, simply select it in Wallet and hold your iPhone near the reader at the turnstile. For loyalty cards, choose the card and present your phone's screen for scanning at checkout. Some transit systems even support Express Transit, allowing you to tap and go without needing to authenticate first, saving you precious seconds. Managing your cards in Apple Wallet is straightforward. You can easily reorder your cards by simply dragging them to your preferred position, placing your most used card at the front. To remove a card, select it, scroll down, and tap Remove Card. You can also designate a default card for quick payments. The Wallet app even allows you to review your recent transactions, offering a convenient way to track your spending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.